Wait. I want to see if we're smarter than AI.
How?
Well, this year the drones are flown autonomously, right? How about we fly ours manually and see if the human brain can beat AI?
Don't worry, I think I'm smarter than the AI. My mother always said I'm very smart.
Who invited Renee Xiang?
Hey!
So we got the drone obstacle course right here, and we're gonna let the autonomous drone go first and see if we can beat the timing later.
Okay, but before we begin, can you explain to us what is autonomous?
Yeah.
Autonomous.
What is that?
Autonomous.
You know,
Autonomous?
well, autonomous actually means that it's taught how to fly through a predetermined path. So basically, you know, it knows where to go.
It's like a child.
A smart child.
Oh, a smart child. Whoa!
Honestly, I think I can beat this.
This is beatable, come on.
Yeah.
It's like chilling.
You're gonna crash. Come.
Oh!
Wow!
No bad.
And all on its own. I don't
All on its
understand.
own.
Yeah.
Alright, so the time to beat is 50 seconds. Let's see if Janelle can do it. So careful.
Oh, it's
So
a
calm.
bit close.
So collect.
Alright. Almost there.
Oh.
Okay, so it's Debbie's turn.
Whoa!
Alright.
Alright, give us some
Nice
space,
move.
guys. Give us some space. Good.
Careful steps. Making sure that there is no mistakes. Second last corner. One more.
And she hit the wall.
No, she did not. What a close call. And enter.
That was insanely fast.
Then no. 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 Stop.
I think you're missing the point of this obstacle course.
Oh no, because
Oh, sideways.
No, low battery pilot is auto land.
So the drone ran out of battery, so we got him a new one.
Yes.
Yeah. So
So he has no excuses this time.
Whoa. This guy. So
you've already failed. You're out of bounds.
You got this, Denise.
miracle.
No. You got a bit to the right. Go right. Okay, we're good. Now go
Straight.
Go straight. Keep going straight.
All the way straight.
All the way straight.
Okay, stop.
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
left.
Go left. Stop.
Go
And then
straight.
Go straight.
Hey!
My way, don't block my way. I
it's-
need a path. All right, we ready?
Okay.
All right, and lift off. Get out of the way.
Whoa!
Get out of the way. You blocked my way.
Now he's blaming
She
me.
blocked my way. I couldn't see where I'm going.
Block your way, bro! Why do you need to
scared.
Why do you need to move?
10 seconds. You crashed the fastest, Vincent.
So we just finished comparing our times, and the winner is Debbie with 23 seconds. Well done.
Thank you.
You know, honestly, it's not just about the time, you know. Compared to how we did it, we were banging into walls and stuff.
Banging the wall.
Yeah, we were all banging everywhere, but the autonomous drone barely touched anything.
It's about accuracy.
It's about accuracy.
Yeah, it was super accurate. Its flight path, it was basically centralized most of the time.
Yeah.
And a very smooth flight.
So basically, autonomous, accuracy.
Accuracy.
Human brain, recklessly.
Reckless.
Oh, that's good.
At the end of the day, it's not about competing with AI. With the help of AI, it will make our task easier. It boils down to human knowledge to give the proper prompts so that AI can do the job.